Question number 1. Jamaica is the largest English-speaking country in the Caribbean. And a lot of people got that one wrong. It is actually true. And the leaderboard is Shanna in the lead. Platt is second. Blue is third. MK7 is fourth. And DJ's TV is there in fifth. Here is the next question. It's a double point question, so it can change everything. Who is the crown prince of reggae? All right, let's check the leaderboard. It was Dennis Brown. Bob Marley is the king. Dennis Brown is the prince. And Platt is in the lead. Platt goes right up in the top. CDE-TV second. MK7 is third. Blue fall down to fourth. And Coco is in fifth. Question number next. Columbus was stranded in Jamaica for 1 year. Is that true or false? Yes, he was actually stuck in Jamaica for 1 year. In St. Anne, he was, because him ship did mash up. Carlton is the only one in the leaderboard who got that. So let's get the next one. Who recorded the song Wild Gilbert? $11 people got it. Yes, it was Loving Dear. And all the people in the top 5 keep them position. All right. It's still a long way to go, guys. Don't falter.